Adrian from Mum's House Party. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I upload a new video, and don't forget those thumbs up if you like some videos. You can also find me over at Instagram at Mum's House Party. Daily stories and shenanigans. Today we are sorting out the spare room. There's loads and loads of boxes stacked up, as you will see. But with the new wardrobes fitted, hopefully some of it can go in there. So we should see how we get on. I've got my brew. Up we go. Right. First things first, I need 3 piles, I think. A pile for the jumble that I really shouldn't have bought stuff to the new house. A pile to go in the loft. Things that I don't really use very often. And then things that I want to store in the new wardrobes. So, let's get started. There's also a ton of Christmas presents here too, which will help me remember what I've got. I really don't know where to start. Let's get Christmas presents out of the way. I don't know if I ever told you, but I used to be cabin crew, and this is my training manual. So we do 4 weeks intensive training, and this is all my notes. This is from when I was 19. 20 years ago. It's quite special, and yeah, I've hung on to this for years. So that's this week's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget you can find me over at Instagram at Mum's House Party for daily shenanigans and stories. See you on the next video.